Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Panda in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you need to have Visual Studio Code installed in your PC. After that, we will create a folder and we will open it. We go over here on the left. Open folder. I've just created a folder Pandas project you can easily create and I select it. Then I will create a file in this folder main.py. Import as Panda. Okay, so I'll open the terminal, new terminal, and we will go over here. We will type Python space m venv, and I'll just name it my underscore venv dot have this one again. We'll do my underscore venv and activate. Don't forget this part because it's very important. And I'll just enter. Here, if we have a policy problem, you can go in Windows Shell and open PowerShell in your Windows and just type this one, set underscore execution policy unrestricted. Alright, so we already have it. It's already cleared. So we will go back to Visual Studio Code and we will type /my venv script /activate. Alright, see, we will have it again over here. pip install pandas. Here it's done. So if this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.